Vaishnava, a person who is not Vaishnava.
दूध पीने से शरीर पुष्ट होता है.
If we'll drink the milk, then the body gets nourished. A person gains so much strength in the body. But
वही दूध यदि सांपों की
But if that same milk is touched by the mouth of the snake, then knowingly or unknowingly that milk is touched by the mouth of the snake, then what happens? Then the person will die. So that's why it is mentioned that Harikatha should always be listened from the lotus lips of Vaishnavas.
कथा जो हम इसलिए अमर कथा की काल आप लोग के डिपार्टमेंट में
Bhagavad Katha is Amar Katha.
ये अमर कथा अमरनाथ में हुई.
This Amar Katha was happening in Amarnath.
देवादिदेव परम वैष्णव वैश्वानंद यथा संबंध शिव जी अपने
Shivji, Devadidev himself, he spoke about this Harikatha to his wife Devi Parvati.
अपने जीवन चरित्र की कथा भी श्रवण कराया.
Sukdev Goswami Pad himself shared about his life history.
राधा जी के अत्यंत जो है
He is
बहुत प्यारे
he is parrot of Srimati Radharani, very dearest to Radharani.
सुंदर सुंदर
Srimati Radharani herself, she is feeding this Shuk Pakshi, Shuk parrot with her own hands, and she is teaching the Shuk Pakshi, Shuk bird.
गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति
Lord Sukdev Goswami Pad is saying to Parikshit Maharaj that this transcendental word is eternal. Sukh is dearest to Radharani. Shriya Sukha means she is most dearest to Srimati Radharani. He is parrot, he is bird. One day he was flying from Barsana to Nandagaon, where Lord himself, he was with his cohort boyfriends, he was playing there. Sukh sit on the tamal tree and he was chanting Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. In the voice of Radharani, he was chanting Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Krishna was thinking, oh, where is Radharani? There is no Radharani here. Then he saw that on the tree there was a Shuk Pakshi, Shuk bird. Then what Krishna did? He catch that Shuk Pakshi, Shuk bird. And then he said, you should not chant Krishna, Krishna. You should chant Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
कृष्ण मुख से राधा नाम सुन करके एक उसरूप क्या नाम जप करने लगे.
And then what he start chanting Radhe, Radhe, Radhe.
जय 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 श्री राम. राधा जी कहने लगी,
Radha Rani is
हे
saying,
प्यारे सुन,
oh my dear Shuk.
मुझे दे दो।
Radharani went there and she's saying that this Shuk bird is mine. And she is requesting to Krishna, please give it back to me.
पक्षी किसको थोड़ी होता है?
Bird is not anyone's. Bird is flying here and there. Bird is not anyone's property. And Radharani is saying, no, please give me.
राधा और कृष्ण प्रेम से
And then within Radharani and Krishna there was loving quarrel.
तो कृष्ण देने वाले नहीं।
But Krishna is not ready to give
इतने
back.
समय राधा जी
And then Radharani,
माँ यशोदा के निकट
she went to Mother Yashoda. She complaining about Krishna. And then Mother Yashoda, she came.
एक हाथ में गोपाल को पकड़ लिया,
In one hand she hold the Krishna, and then in other hand she snatched the
राधा जी के
Shuk
हाथ
bird
में
and she gave to the Radharani.
और बोले कन्हैया,
And she said to the Krishna,
बैठिए,
Yashoda Maya said to Krishna that your father is waiting for the prasadam.
खाएंगे।
Without you, your father will not take the food. So please come. So in this way, Yashoda Maya, she took Krishna from there and she went inside the house, and Radharani, she took that Shuk bird and she went to her place, Barsana. And then Radharani is saying, don't chant my names. Don't chant my name, Radharani. Chant Krishna, Krishna. And the Shuk birds thinking that one is Shiksha Guru, one is Diksha Guru. There are two types of Guru. One is who is giving Diksha, that is called Diksha Guru, who is giving this divine knowledge. Diksha is said who give the divine knowledge. Sha means and all the sinful activities finish. When a person chanting this Diksha mantra, slowly, all the sins finish. Diksha Guru. And Krishna is Shiksha Guru, who is giving teachings. So Shuk is very, very sweet. He started chanting both the names.
Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna,
Same Sukadev Goswami Pad, he have appeared yesterday. We heard about Sukadev Goswami Pad. That is not ordinary Suk bird. He is most lovable and dearest to Radharani. Same Sukadev Goswami appeared in the Sabha of Parikshit Maharaj. And all the rishi, they were standing and they were welcoming him. Why?
जिस सभा में परीक्षित महाराज की सभा में बड़े-बड़े संत महात्मा थे.
In the Sabha of Parikshit Maharaj, there were not ordinary saints.
यद्यपि सुखदेव गोस्वामी के पिताजी व्यासदेव जी विराजमान थे.
Sukhdev Goswami father Vyasdev was also present there.
पिताजी के पिताजी
Sukhdev Goswami father was also present there, Vyasdev.
पराशर ऋषि.
And Vyasdev father of Parasar Rishi was also present there. and many scholars, many knowledgeable persons, and many high scholars, high Pandit Rishi, Sant Mahatma was present there. And they all gave high place to the Sukadeva Goswami. And they all listened from the lotus lips of Sukadeva Goswami. Why? He knows about past, present, future. Sukadeva Goswami is not other person. He is he is most dearest to Radharani, and he has touched the lips of Radharani. When Radharani was feeding him with the pomegranates, and Radharani was kissing Shuk Pakshi, Shuk bird, and then at that time that Shuk bird, what he did, what Radharani was doing, he was doing same like what Radharani is doing. Parrot bird is like this. What you will do, he will follow you. He is doing Anukaran. Radharani when he was in her lap, she was kissing the Shuk bird, and then Shuk bird, he also kissed Radharani. So Shukdev Goswami, so his katha is so sweet, it's like nectar. So that's why everyone there in the Sabha was listening the Harikatha from Shukdev Goswami Pad. Parikshit Maharaj is not ordinary person. His one name is Vishnu Rag. What name? Vishnu Rag. Rag means Raksha, protecting. Lord himself, he entered the womb of Uttara Devi, he protected him. This is so beautiful pastime. Ashwathama, he left the Brahmastra, pointing the womb of Uttara Devi, and then Lord himself, Lord Vishnu, in one form, he entered the womb of the Uttara, and with his Gada, he protected Parikshit. So his one name is Vishnu Rag. What name? Vishnu Rag. Rag means Raksha, protect. Who was protected by Lord Vishnu. So this is so beautiful. And Parikshit Maharaj, when he came out from the womb of Uttara Devi, then he was hankering to see the Lord Vishnu. His name is Parikshit. He got darshan of Lord Vishnu inside the womb. That same Lord Vishnu is outside also, outside the womb also. So Parikshit Maharaj is not ordinary person. So that's why I told that Shrota, the speaker, and we should know about speaker and listener. So Harikatha depends on the speaker and listener. So these pastimes are very sweet. Parikshit Maharaj, there is life history of Parikshit Maharaj also. There are many pastimes. We have so short time, so that's why we cannot explain each and every Harikatha. But still, we will tell you about. We are trying to tell more Harikatha. This is Amar Katha. The person who listen about this Amar Katha become immortal.
परीक्षित महाराज ये कथा सुनने के लिए बैठे हैं। कितने दिन के लिए?
So the person become immortal.
कितने दिन के लिए
Mortal.
कथा सुनने के लिए बैठे हैं? 7 दिन।
So we are here to listen Harikatha for 7 days.
क्योंकि समीक ऋषि के पुत्र
Shamik Rishi he gave the curse to Parikshit Maharaj that after 7 days
तक्षक आकर के
Takshak snake will kill you, will bite you.
जो स्वयं भगवत मृत्यु के मातृगर्भ में जब थे
Parikshit Maharaj, when he was in the womb of when he was in the womb of Uttara Devi, Lord himself protected him. So can this snake touch him? Who himself was protected by the Lord. That's why his one name is Vishnu Rag. So this is just pastime.
आगे जाकर के कथा श्रवण करेंगे।
We will listen about this
प्रभु की
Harikatha.
ऐसी लीलाएं ऐसी दिखाई जगत।
So this is showing to this material world.
देखो कैसे
See how
कथा
beautiful.
समाप्ति के पहले ही
Before Harikatha finished, Parikshit Maharaj
नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम में ही चले गए।
he went to eternal
और इसके पश्चात
Golok Vrindavan Dham.
वो तक्षक आकर के
And then that Takshak snake he bite to the Parikshit Maharaj. But actually he already went to the eternal world before the snake bites. He got the gopi body and he went to the Golok Vrindavan Dham.
इस वक्त बहुत विचार हमारे आचार्य पादों
All these things are mentioned by our Acharya.
क्योंकि भागवत की कथा जगत में प्रकट करना है।
Because this Bhagavad Katha needs to be manifested in this world.
कथाओं को ये कीर्तन करना है।
We should know about the pastimes of Lord Krishna.
ये समस्त लीला आदि
So that's why these beautiful pastimes are mentioned there.
इसलिए कुछ लीलाएं बचे इंद्रजालिक लीला भी कहा
So few leelas are called, few pastimes are called Indrajalik.
इंद्रजालिक माने
Indrajalik
इस
means
प्रकार मैजिशियन
like magicians,
आकर के
they are coming and
अनेक प्रकार की वस्तु दिखा दे रहा
they are showing many things.
सोचते हैं ये सब
People are thinking this is truth,
ये तो नहीं था।
but that is not true.
इसे कुछ लीलाओं के कहा जाता है
So some pastimes are said
लीलाओं
Indrajalik pastimes,
विशेष करके
especially
द्वारिकापुरी में
in Dwarkapuri,
महिषी हरण लीला
Mahishi Haran,
और जिसमें
kidnapping Mahishi,
कृष्ण के वंश के जो है यदुवंश के नाश जो है ध्वंस जो है
and destruction of Krishna
उसकी
Yaduvansh.
लीलाओं को कहा जाता है इंद्रजालिक लीला
That leelas are called Indrajalik leela. That pastimes are called
इस समस्त कथा में हम
Indrajalik.
अंतिम दिन में
We will
कीर्तन करें।
listen about all these pastimes in the last day.
किंतु बहुत मधुर लीलाएं
They are very sweet pastimes mentioned here.
जिस परीक्षित महाराज
Parikshit Maharaj,
कैसे हरि कथा श्रवण में बैठे
how he was listening Harikatha.
कथा श्रवण के द्वारा ही चित्त मार्जित होता है।
Only after listening Harikatha, one heart is clean, purified.
नष्ट प्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भक्ति भवति नष्ट। भगवत कथा साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप ही
Bhagavad Katha is Lord Himself. In English it is said
वाइब्रेशन।
transcendental vibration.
ये ट्रांसेंडेंटल वाइब्रेशन
This transcendental vibration, when it enters the ears and then goes in the heart, and then all the dirty things, all the bad things,
काम क्रोध
krodh, lobh, moh, mad, matsarya,
ये सारे
all these things
निकाल दो, साफ सुथरा कर दो।
are taken out and the place is become purified.
बैठ जाओ।
And Lord then
जिस प्रकार एक
resides in the heart of the
दूसरे मित्र
person.
के घर में जब जाते हैं,
When the friend is going to the house of the friend,
मित्र के नहीं कहते
he
हैं,
is not saying to his friend that see
तुम्हारे चेयर में
that your chair,
बैठने के स्थान पर
the place where I have to
धूल
sit,
पड़ा है,
there is dust on that.
इसे तुम साफ करो,
You
हम करते
clean
हैं।
this.
बोलते हैं
Friend is not saying. Friend is not
तो
saying
मित्र
this.
क्या करते हैं?
What the friend is doing,
अपने
he
जेब
himself,
से एक कपड़ा निकाला,
he take out the cloth from his pocket
handkerchief,
and then cleaning that place.
और निकाल करके उस फैन
And he is cleaning the place on his own, and then he sit on that
ठीक
place.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
भगवान की कथा साक्षात भगवत
Lord Harikatha is
कथा श्रवण के
Lord
बाद
himself. When the person is listening Harikatha,
सब प्रकार के पाप से
the Lord is entering the heart of the person and then purifying the heart. If we are doing so many endeavors, all this काम क्रोध लोभ मोह, we cannot purify that. We cannot take them out. Or can we take them out? We are not able to take them out. So Acharya Pad is giving the example. See, snake is entering to the hole.
तो आप कैसे निकालोगे?
How you will take out the snake from the hole?
सांप गर्त में
If snake entered the hole,
बहुत जहरीली
the very poisonous snake entered the hole.
आप ऊपर से जितने ही लट्ठी मारो,
You will beat from the up,
और भी
from the top. He will go more and more inside.
सांप को वो गड्ढे से गर्त से निकालने के
So
उपाय क्या है?
how to take out the snake from the hole? You tell. You know?
कैसे निकालोगे?
You know the
और
solution?
सांप जब गर्त से नहीं निकालोगे,
If the snake will not, if you will not take out the snake from the hole,
कैसे निकालोगे?
how you will take out the snake?
हाँ? देखो
See,
बड़ा गर्म पानी है ना,
if you will put the hot water,
गर्म पानी
if you will put the hot
गड्ढे
water,
में डाल दो,
you put the hot water in that hole. See, snake will feel the pain and then he will come out.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय हो। और कोई उपाय नहीं।
There is no other option.
ठीक उसी प्रकार मेरे
So
हृदय
in the
में
same way, in our heart, काम क्रोध लोभ मोह मद मत्सर,
छल कपट
छल कपट, cheating propensity,
अनेक प्रकार के
there
ये
are
सब
many
हैं।
kinds of bad things are there.
आपकी बात सब क्या है?
Like a snake, it's in our heart. How you will take them out?
प्रभु के नाम
By chanting the names of holy names. By chanting the holy names.
भवमहादावग्निर्वापणम् श्रेयकैर्वचन्निका वितरणम् विद्यावधू जीवनम् आनन्दम् बुद्धिवर्धनम् प्रतिपदम् पूर्णम् तत्साधनम् सर्वात्मस्नपनम् परम् विजयति श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्। नाम संकीर्तन,
Nama Sankirtan.
इस कलियुग में और कोई उपाय नहीं।
There is no other option in the Kali Yuga.
हरि कथा श्रवण
Listening Harikatha
और
and
नाम संकीर्तन।
Nama Sankirtan.
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
हमारे चैतन्य महाप्रभु
As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
कलियुग में
he is
केवल
explaining that in the Kali Yuga,
सुमेरु सुमेरु नर और कुछ करना नहीं।
you don't have to do anything. Tulsi Das,
बहुत सुंदर
he is beautifully,
सरल
is
सहज
simple.
रूप में
he is mentioned
हिंदी भाषा
in the Hindi language,
रामचरितमानस
in Ramcharitarmanas,
व्यासदेव जी ने संस्कृत शब्दों में
Vyasadev in Sanskrit language,
हरे
in his
नाम
scripture he
हरे
mentioned,
नाम हरे नाम केवलम कलु नास्तिव 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 कलियुग में और कुछ नहीं है।
in Kali Yuga you don't have to do anything, only Hari Nam, Hari Nam, Hari Nam, congregational names of chanting of holy names.
कलियुग की महामंत्र क्या है?
In Kali Yuga
हरे
Mahamantra is
कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे।
कली संतन उपनिषद में,
In Kali Santan Upanishad, this is mentioned.
बहुत लोग
Many people
प्रश्न करते हैं,
are asking this question.
ये कलियुग की महामंत्र क्या है?
What is the mantra of Kali Yuga?
और की महामंत्र है,
There is a mantra of every yuga. So what is the mantra of Kali Yuga? It is
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। व्यासदेव जी ने बहुत उपनिषद दी।
Vyasadeva in his Upanishad mentioned. One Upanishad name is
कली
Kali Santan Upanishad. Kali Santan
कुछ
Upanishad.
लोग उल्टा करके क्या कहते हैं?
Some people are saying opposite. Hare
हरे
Ram.
राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे। ठीक है नहीं? कली संतन उपनिषद में
Kali Santan Upanishad, Vyasadeva has mentioned. So we have to accept that.
मूल ग्रंथ जो है, ओरिजिन जो ग्रंथ
The original
कली संतन
scripture is
उपनिषद ग्रंथ,
Kali Santan
अभी तक
Upanishad.
उन्हें उपलब्धि होगा।
You can find it
जयपुर में
in Jaipur,
नेशनल लाइब्रेरी
in the National Library. There you can find that book. You please find there. So that's why it is said in Kali Yuga, only chanting of holy names. So that's why let's proceed the Harikatha.
परीक्षित महाराज जी,
Parikshit Maharaj himself,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद की बहुत प्रश्न भी,
he asked many questions to Sukadeva Goswami Pal.
ये कथा भी हम श्रवण,
We are listening about this
कोई
Harikatha.
मरने वाले व्यक्ति है,
When the person is going to
उसको
die
क्या
soon,
करना चाहिए?
what he should do?
7 दिन के बाद जो मर
After 7 days, a person knows that he will die. What he have to do? What he have
देखो इस
to do?
संसार में हम कहते किसके
In this material, we are saying that if some person get cancer,
संसार में कोई आंसर नहीं है,
in the cancer, no
संसार में
answer.
कोई
There is no answer for the cancer.
मतलब क्या
What does it mean? There is no medicine. Whatever the people are doing,
है? उसको
the person will die.
इसे कहा जाता
So
है
that's why.
संसार में कोई
So that's why it is said there is no answer for cancer. There is no medicine for the cancer.
दवाई देते थक जाए,
The person will become tired of taking the medicines.
लिख दिया जाओ,
Doctor will write the
अपने घर में ले
prescription
जाओ,
that
अब
these
किसको करना
medicine.
है, कर लो।
Then doctor will say in the end
क्या
what
करें?
you want to do, you do.
आप बताओ।
You please tell.
इसी कारण
So that's why
क्या करना चाहिए?
what you
7
have to
दिन
do.
में मरने वाले हैं।
If some person know after 7 days that person will die.
किसको पता है?
So in this
सप्तधाम इस संसार में
here anybody knows when the person will die?
है कोई?
If there is anyone,
कोई गारंटी नहीं है।
there is no guarantee.
देखो इस संसार में आप कहीं बाजार में जाओ, कुछ
If you will go to market to buy some things, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, you are buying the television. How many? For how much is the television?
नहीं आ रहे हैं।
Now are even more costly. Pieces are 20,000, 25,000,
जैसी भी हो, उसमें ये
whatsoever.
guarantee card दिया
There is
जाता है।
one guarantee
एक
card
साल की
for
guarantee card।
2 years, 1 year.
ये तो हमारे शरीर के भी
But
guarantee
for
card
this
है।
body, there is any guarantee card?
साल तक जीवित रहेंगे।
We will stay till tomorrow. Anybody knows?
कब ये शरीर छूट जाए?
When we will leave this body, nobody knows.
ये शरीर में हजारों जो है
In this body,
संधियां हैं।
there are
और कितने दर्द होते हैं।
there is many sufferings in this body.
शताब्दे मृत्यु ध्रुवम, टुडे टुमारो डे आफ्टर टुमारो,
Today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 100 years, we have to die.
कलियुग के मनुष्य की आयु कितनी है?
In this Kali Yuga, what is the age of the Kali Yuga Jeeves? Not more than hundreds. In Satyug, what was the age? You remember what was the age of 100,000? People were meditating that time. In Treta, 1 0 was reduced. Now what happened? From 100,000 to become 10,000. In Dwapar Yuga, 1 more 0 was reduced. Then become 1,000. And in Kali Yuga, 1 more 0 is reduced. So how much? 100 years. Nowadays, nobody is living 100 years. There are some people who are staying till 100 years, but many. But in average, we will see in the age of 60, 70, 80, 90, body is not moving. There are many kinds of suffering, diseases in the body. Many diseases in the body. Nowadays, in the childhood, childs are getting so many diseases, you know. Blood pressure, high pressure, and diabetes. Nowadays, food is not good. They are eating all the chemicals in the body. There is chemical in the food. The fields are there. There is chemical. They are putting chemicals, urea and many other things. They are putting the chemicals on it. Where it will go? We are taking this wheat, rice, all the fields we are taking. There is chemicals in on all that things. That all chemicals coming in our body. And what will happen to the body? You tell. So all these diseases are coming from that things. In the age of 60, 70, if a person becomes 67, then the body is not moving properly. How many diseases people have? There are many kinds of diseases, sufferings in the body of the person. That's why it is said what a person should do. Only one option. So this was the question. There was no guarantee for Parikshit Maharaj. What was the guarantee for Parikshit Maharaj? For 7 days. That he will stay for 7 days. That was the words of Muni. The words of Muni, the saints are true. After 7 days, a Takshak snake will bite. This was the thing mentioned there. So Parikshit Maharaj, he asked this question. The person who is going to die, what he should do? Sukhdev Goswami Pad is saying, what is answering? I am answering you. This is not I am answering. Whatever is told by my previous acharyas, what they have provided the rules, I am telling you same thing. You should listen about Lord pastimes, name, past. You should listen to the forms. You should listen about all these things. You should listen Harikatha. We all are thinking we will stay for a long time. If there will be earthquake, if there will be earthquake, then where all will go? A few days back, in Gujarat, in Bhuj there was earthquake and many person died. They were sitting. The person where he was sitting, he died or no? We forget about that. We are listening Harikatha every year, but we forget about all these things. Corona was there. 2 years back was Corona. Many people, they left the body. How many people died?
भी आप लोग देखे होंगे,
You have
स्वाभाविक हो
you have watched in the television.
है कि नहीं?
Many people died at that
कोरोना
time.
में कितने लोग भी
In
मरे,
Corona,
कहाँ?
many people died.
चल, आज तक भी थोड़े थोड़े उनके भी रिएक्शन भी चल रहे
There is some reaction in their bodies still. In many countries,
हैं, रिएक्शन भी चल
there is still reaction of that chemicals.
है कि नहीं?
You know, no. There is many people died
रोग बीमारी ऐसी
because
कोई
of the
गारंटी
diseases,
नहीं है
suffering. There is no guarantee.
कि हम कब तक रहे।
When we will stay, how long we will stay. We are saying
हम
this
ये
day.
कर लेंगे, वो
We
कर
are
लेंगे।
showing our ego that we will do this, we will do this. When a person will go, nobody knows.
इसलिए कहते हैं, देखो,
That's why it is said.
जब तक है प्रभु के नाम की तरफ
So when for how much time we are in this material world, we have to chant the holy names. We have to listen Hari Katha.
सब ये है
All this wealth, all this property, all this money will stay in this world.
संपत्ति इकट्ठा
All the money, wealth you are collecting, it will stay here. You will not take anything with you.
महाराज लेकर के
Parikshit Maharaj was able to take anything with him.
हमारे पूर्वज किसी लेकर के गए,
Our forefathers, are they able to take anything with them?
कितने मन गेहूं लेकर के गए भाई?
How many wheat they taken with them?
कितना था?
गेहूं
100 बीघा जमीन
गेहूं
है? गेहूं कितने हो गया? 1000 मन गेहूं।
wheat
कितने? 200 मन
wheat
कितने
How many-
गेहूं लेकर के गए भाई?
how many wheat they have taken? Everything they left here.
यही है।
This is their life.
किंतु देखो,
But see,
प्रभु के नाम करो,
only you chant the holy names, it will only go with you. That's why it is saying you are not alone.
सीताराम सीताराम,
Lord is with you.
सीताराम कहिए, चाहे भी दी राखे राम,
ताहे
भी दी रहे। जिंदगी के डोर सो हथ बिना नाच के, तू अकेला नहीं प्यारे,
राम तेरे साथ
साधु संग राम नाम अंग रंग रंग, सीताराम सीताराम
सीताराम
है? संसार में रहो। मैं नहीं कानून सब झूठ है। सभी का तो जमीन है,
There is
गेहूं तो बोया, गेहूं को काटना नहीं पड़ेगा क्या?
there is you have grow the field. You have to cut that.
संरक्षण करना
You
पड़ेगा।
have to protect that.
है? बात सही,
This is true.
किंतु प्रभु के नाम भूलो।
But you should never forget about the holy names of Lord.
संसार में रहते हुए सब काम करना पड़ेगा।
You are staying in this world, but chant holy names
साथ ही
also.
साथ प्रभु की स्मरण।
You should always remember Lord.
भागवत में तो यही संदेश दे रहे हैं। गोपियां घर में रहती थी कि नहीं?
In the Bhagavatam, this is mentioned. Gopis were staying in their house, or gopis went to the Vrindavan. They become the sadhu. What gopis were doing? What gopi was? They were staying in the. They were doing their household things. Sukdev Goswami Pad is mentioned.
मथन प्रलेप वृक्षै छनादुरुदितो क्षणमार्जनादु गायन्ति चैननुरक्तं धियोऽश्रुकण्ठो धन्ना भजस्त्रियो उरुक्रमचित्तजान्। गोपियां भी घर में ही काम कर रही हैं।
Gopis, they were also doing household things.
दूध काटती,
They were milking the cows.
धान अथवा गेहूं के जो है वो ओखल में उठती। ये जो जहाँ जो है
They were grinding the
घर
wheat.
में गोबर और
In the house,
पानी दे करके लेपती।
with
शहर
the
के तो महिलाएं को पता ही नहीं है। शहर के महिला के पता नहीं है
cow
गोबर क्या
dung,
है।
with the cow dung, they were making the paste and cleaning the house. In the city, nobody knows that. In the coming, they are coming in the village and they are asking, what is this cow dung? So in the city, they don't know. They are asking, what is this? So what they are saying, kanda.
ठंडा क्या है?
What does kanda means?
हैं? शहर के रहने वाले भी पता ही नहीं।
The people who are staying in the cities, they don't know about these things.
गाँव में कितना?
But the villagers, they don't know about this. So that's why it is
जादू
known.
ने अबोहन ने मतों ने प्रलेपो प्रिंस छनार जो रुदी तो छनार जना कायम ते चैन रक्त धियो से अपने छोटे छोटे बच्चा को जो है कैसे स्नान कराते हैं।
How they are taking bath to their small
छोटे बच्चा
kids.
जब रोते हैं
And when the
उसके पीठ
kids
पर
are crying, they are pampering to the babies.
गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति
जगावे प्राणे तो जागो अबनी तो त्याग बेला हरि गीत गावो गोविंद दामोदर गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति
A newly married girl, she is waking up to her husband after the first night. They didn't sleep. What she's saying? After the marriage first day, she's waking up to her husband that, oh my dear husband, how long you will sleep? Please wake up. Now there is sunlight. Sunlight is coming. How long you will sleep? The newly married girl, she is waking up to her husband. How long you will sleep? Please wake up. Leave the laziness. See, this is Braj mood. Who are called Brajvasis? Who are sleeping in a lazy way? No. Brajvasis, what they are doing after waking up? They are taking the mridanga, or they're taking the dholak and they're starting doing kirtan. In Braj, we should have the mood of Brajvasis. The Brajvasis who are staying in the Braj, how much? Natural love and affection towards Krishna. We don't have to teach anyone. They don't want to learn from anything. Day and night they are thinking about Krishna. They are chanting the holy names and remembering about Krishna's pastimes. Sukdev Goswami Maharaj, he is telling to Parikshit Maharaj, please listen that Brajavasi, especially Braj Gopis, how much they are so much attached to Krishna. When they are chanting the holy names, they are crying. Their heart melted. Their heart melted. This is called Braj. This is a Braj sweet mood. So this Bhagavad Katha we are listening We are listening about the glories of Brajavasis. Sukadev Goswami Pad himself telling about the glories of Brajavasis. So beautiful Vrindavan. So beautiful. We have to enter in this beautiful, sweet Vrindavan. How you will enter in this sweet Vrindavan? After listening to the Harikatha about the Brajavasis. We have to enter the Braj. The person who have which mood, that person will listen about that Harikatha. Hanuman, what he likes? Hanuman likes which Harikatha? He likes Ramakatha. Where will be Ramakatha? Hanuman himself will appear at that place. Where there will be Radha and Krishna Harikatha, all the Brajvasis will appear there. Leave our Katha. Krishna and Balaram, they will also appear at that place. One time in Dwarkapuri, Mother Rohini, mother of Balaram, she was telling about Braj Katha. And see, and at the gate, sister Subhadra was sitting there. And when Krishna and Balaram, they were sitting at the left and right of Subhadra Devi, and Rohini Devi, she was telling so beautiful pastimes of Braj. Everybody was crying, they were listening and crying. 16,108 wives, they were staying there. See, Rohini Devi, when she was telling about Harikatha, and when Krishna and Balaram, they were standing, they were staying in the left and right of Subhadra, nobody knows. And listening the separation Harikatha of Braja, Krishna and Balaram body, their body melted, and at the same time Subhadra's Devi body also melted. So this is said Jagannath Baldev Subhadra. This katha is not ordinary. Braj katha is so powerful. Braj katha is not ordinary. So slowly we will enter in Braj. Tomorrow we will listen about Krishna appearance day, and slowly we will enter the Braj. Everybody is running towards listening this Braj Katha. There are seven types of liberation place: Kachi, Kanchi, Dwarka, Mathura. All these, what are they? All they are in the Braja. Ayodhya, where it is? In Mathura. You please come in Mathura Parikrama, nearby Jamuna. There are 24 ghats of Jamuna. Ghat. All the ghats are present there. So we are here. We are here to invite you. Please come to Braj. Braj is so sweet, Vrindavan. So beautiful place. Many pastimes are there. That's why I am saying Parikshit Maharaj himself, for listening the Harikatha of Braj, he was so curious. Lord's birthplace, Vrindavan. If we will not listen about Vrindavan, then everything is waste. Uddhav, most dearest to Krishna, till this time in Vrindavan, nearby Radha Kund,
कुसुम सरोवर के ठीक उल्टी तरफ
Kusum nearby Kusum Sarovar. Uddhav Kund is there. What name is said?
उद्धव कुंड,
Uddhav Kunda.
स्वयं उद्धव जी
Uddhav himself,
वहाँ पर कठोर तपस्या।
he is doing hard austerity there.
बोले उद्धव कुंड में एक घास मानो उद्धव के एक जन्म,
Every grass of each and every grass of Uddhav, that is the birth of. He took birth this time.
होकर के जन्म लेना कोई साधारण बात
It's not easy to take birth in the Braja.
वृंदावन की एक
Vrindavan, one small dust,
एक धूल जो है
and small dust is not ordinary thing.
बड़े बड़े संत महात्मा
Many saints, many Mahatma, they are eager and they are doing so hard or so high austerity to get that small dust of Braj. Brahma and other demigods, they are also doing hard austerity. So Brahmaji is also saying that it is not easy for me to take birth in Braja.
ये देखो नंद गोकुल में
In Nanda Gokul, there where Krishna,
बाल लीला प्रकार
he is doing childhood
माँ कृष्ण के
pastimes.
गर्भ से जन्म हुआ।
He took birth from womb of Yashoda Maiya
मेरे
in that Gokul.
गोकुल में किस प्रकार से जन्म लेना चाहते हैं?
I want to take birth there. How he wants to take birth?
झाड़ू देने के पश्चात
In the Brajvasi's house,
अपने घर में आकर के
the
पैर
sweeper, he is scrubbing her feet.
वो पत्थर होकर के मेरा जन्म हो जाए।
So I want to become that stone. If I will become that stone, my birth will be successful. My life will be successful.
ऐसे हमारे टीकाकार
So this our commentators are mentioning.
ब्रज की धूली
So dust of Braj is not an ordinary thing. Many Sant Mahatma, the saints, they are eager. They are doing so many hard austerity to get that just small dust of Brajavasi. So our Prabhuji is doing Kirtan.
एक बार अयोध्या जाओ, दो बार द्वारका, तीन बार जाकर त्रिवेणी,
No friend.
चार बार चित्रकूट, नौ बार नासिक में, बार यार बद्रीनाथ काशी, केदारनाथ रामेश्वर गया यार चाहे होंगे प्रत्यक्ष यहाँ दरस श्यामा के, वृंदावन सा कहीं आनंद नहीं पाओ, वृंदावन सा कहीं आनंद नहीं।
I didn't listen.
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल
जय हो। कीरत सुता के पग पग पे आव यहाँ, के सबके केल कुंज कोट कोट काशी है। जमुना में जगन्नाथ, रेणुका में रामेश्वर, तर तर तले अमित अयोध्या निवासी है। गोपिन के द्वार 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 पे है हरे द्वार, बद्री केदारनाथ बसत दास दासी है। स्वर्ग अपवर्ग प्रथा लेकर करेंगे क्या, जानते नहीं हो हम वृंदावन वासी हैं, जानते नहीं हो हम वृंदावन वासी। महाराज श्री कहाँ से पधारे हैं? कहाँ से पधारे महाराज जी बताइए।
Maharaj have appeared from where?
वृंदावन।
From Vrindavan.
और उसमें
He
भी सेवा
came
की।
from where? From
जमुना का किनारा।
he have came from.
टेढ़ी टांग वारो।
There is Seva Kunj. There is Seva Kunj.
वहाँ
There is Krishna. Where nearby Kesi Ghat. Krishna. The Rasiks only can see Krishna. This Maharaj have came from that place. From the childhood, he is serving to the Gurudev. I am on his age, but in the spiritual level, I am nothing. What I have due to because of the mercy of Vaishnav. He is my god brother. He loves me so much, and by this my life is going on. Please do Kirtan of Radhe Radhe. ओ प्रभु जी ने जो बोला आप नहीं सुन पाए. हाँ वो okay, you want me to speak again here or directly to here in this? Maybe I can come and speak. But people have already listened. I can come.
मंगल में गुरु की चर्चा, मंगल में गुरु भक्ति मंगल में गुरु के दर्शन, मंगल में गुरु की अमानी, मंगल में नख से सिखलो गुरु मूर्ति वेद पुराण हो या गुरु जिनको भगवान ने हाथ दिए हैं, मैंने कल भी बताया था कि ये हाथ दोनों ऊपर उठाना व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा। शरणागति का भाव है, जब जीव भगवान की शरण में आ जाता है, गोद में आ जाता है, तो भगवान उसका पालन करता है। बोलिए गुरु जी महाराज की जय। जय श्री राधे। मैं चाहता तो ये था कि अभी बीच में चटकीला लोकगीत बोल दूं, लेकिन महाराज ने मुझे आदेश किया कुछ भाव में डूबने के लिए, कुछ कवित्व सवैया को ब्रज का आनंद लेंगे। आइए सब ताली बजा करके आनंद लेंगे, तो जो रसिक होंगे तो नाच करके मेरी करुणामयी राधे, मेरी कृपामयी राधे, मेरी करुणामयी राधे, मेरी कृपामयी राधे, मेरी कृपामयी राधे, ओ मेरी करुणामयी राधे, मेरी कृपामयी राधे, मेरी करुणामयी, मेरी कृपामयी, ओ मेरी करुणामयी, मेरी कृपामयी, करीब करीब सभी को, सभी भक्त यहाँ दोनों हाथ हैं, भगवान ने कृपा करके दोनों हाथ दिए। मुझे लग रहा है कुछ भक्त घूमे जिब्या नहीं दिए, अगर दिया तो खुल के आनंद लेंगे मेरे साथ। मेरी करुणामयी मेरी
ओ मेरी करुणामयी मेरी कृपामयी,
मेरी करुणामयी
ओ मेरी करुणामयी मेरी कृपामयी,
मेरी जो रसिक लोग होंगे वो जरूर नृत्य करेंगे प्यार से। मेरी करुणामयी
ओ मेरी करुणामयी मेरी कृपामयी, ओ मेरी करुणामयी मेरी कृपामयी,
और बहुत दुर्लभ भी है। जब गुरु वैष्णव कृपा करते हैं जिस पर, तो ये राधे राधे कहने लगती है विद्या सहज और सरल लोग। तो जिन पर गुरु वैष्णव की कृपा होती है तो वो जरूर राधे राधे कहते हैं, अन्यथा वो नहीं बोलते। सब कुछ बोलेंगे लेकिन राधा रानी का नाम हर एक से नहीं। और दूसरी बात ये है, जब संत की कृपा करते हैं तो सब कुछ प्राप्त होता है। दो कवित्व बोलूंगा, एक कवित्व में तो बताया है कि सब कुछ मिल जाए। सुंदर नारी है, बहुत सुंदर सुंदर आभूषण पहना आभूषण पहन रखे, घोड़ी है, सुंदर है, हीरा जवाहरात पहन रखे, लेकिन अगर नारी नाक कटी हुई हो तो संसार के लोग उसे पसंद करेंगे? नहीं करेंगे। तो पहले कवित्र में बताया कि भगवान की भक्ति के बिना, कृष्ण की भक्ति के बिना एक नारी नाक कटी के समान है जी। बुद्धि बड़ी चतुराई बड़ी, मन में देता अपने ज्ञान बड़ो धन धाम बड़ो, हर तू तेरी जग में जगती। कभी बाजी हूँ पार मनुष्य हजार, तो एक समान कोई नहीं है। तो सब कृष्ण की भक्ति
Please take your place. We will listen. We will listen about Bali Maharaj. How in Bali Maharaj Sabha, Vaman Dev will appear. We will listen now. Please sit first. You was sitting for so long time, so you dance. It's good or no? Now please listen Hari Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad
परीक्षित महाराज
to the Parikshit Maharaj. He told him many beautiful pastimes, especially in third canto. he gave him teachings of 4 shlok Bhagavad. Brahmaji himself, he told that is called 4 shlok Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam. And then Brahmaji, he spoke to the Narad Muni, and Narad Muni to then Vyasadeva, and then Vyasadeva, he told this to Sukadeva Goswami, and then Sukadeva Goswami Pad himself, he explained in a more explained way, he told this katha to Parikshit Maharaj. This Bhagavatam katha, it is mentioned that there are 10 symptoms. With these 10 symptoms, this Harikatha was appeared, manifested, especially Patra Sarga Visarga Sthana Uti Manvantar Ishanukata. There are 10 types of symptoms. And afterwards, Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he explained so beautiful.
Satan prasangat mama virju samvido bhavanti hitkarna rasayana kata tajjosanat asu apavarga partmani shraddharati bhakti ranukramishati.
Kapil Dev himself, he is telling to his mother, please listen mother. Father, he took sannyas, he went, and very few I will also leave. Oh my mother, I am going to tell you the summary of the life. This life is full of sufferings. We are doing many things in this world. Why? We are doing all these things. We are doing many things. Happiness you have got, and how many sufferings you have got. Raise your hand. Who is happy? Nobody is happy. Poor man is saying, rich person is happy. Rich person is saying, more rich person is happy. More richer person is saying, Raja is king is sukhi. King is saying, Maharaja is happy. Maharaja is saying, Indra is happy. Indra is saying, Brahmaji is happy. Brahmaji what is saying? Nobody is happy. All are full of sufferings, all are sad. Who is happy? Who is chanting the names of Lord? You should only chant the names of God. Whatever we are doing to get the happiness, we are doing marriage. But what we have got? Have you got the happiness? There is no happiness in this world. Sometimes happiness coming, but all the time is sadness, sorrows, sufferings. Please understand this carefully. Where is the happiness? Where there is a way of happiness, we are not going on that way. So in the Vedas, Upanishad it is mentioned, in Vedanta Sutra it is mentioned, Abhyas means Anushilan. Please accept that, take the shelter of holy names again and again. That is why called Anandamaya Abhyasa, Anandamaya Abhyasa. Please see, Sajjan, Pandits. I am telling you one thing. There is opposite word to all the words. Just like day, what is the opposite word? Night. There is a day, then there is night. Light and darkness. There is happy, then sad. Happy, poor and rich. There is opposite word to all the words. What is the opposite word of Anand, happiness? People are saying Niranand. There is no. Nir is Upasarg. People are saying Niranand. There is no opposite word.
वो आनंद स्वरूप भगवान आनंद कंद गुजरात वो आनंद स्वरूप भगवान स्वरूप भगवान
If in a family only a one Vaishnav take place, then Vaishnav can deliver all the family. Only one child becomes Vaishnav. If Kanishta Adhikari Vaishnav is there, he will be able to deliver the seven side of mother and father. He will be able to deliver. If there is a Madhyam Adhikari, intermediate devotees, then he will be able to deliver 14. And if there is a Uttam Bhagavad, then how many? 21 forefathers will be delivered, mother and father side. This is mentioned in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So child should be like Vaishnav. So Kapil Dev is telling to his mother that when a child is in the womb of the mother, he is suffering. See, when we were in the womb of our mother, we took the oath
क्या कसम खाए?
What oath we took?
जन्म लेने के बाद
After taking the birth,
प्रभु आप ही भजन
we will do bhajan of you, Lord. Not anyone else, Lord.
किंतु देखो
But see,
माया कैसी है।
what is the Maya?
मातृगर्भ से जन्म लेने के
After coming out from the womb, we forget about all that things.
सुनिए, हम नहीं कर रहे स्वयं
I'm not saying this.
कपिल देव
Kapil Dev himself is saying to his mother,
मातृगर्भ में हम जाप रहे हैं।
when a person is staying in the womb, there are so many worms, they are biting us.
अल्प परिसर छोटी सी जगह में
We are the child is staying in so small place. We forget about it. A person is staying in so small place. When the mother is staying some sour, chili, all that juice is coming, touching the body of the baby. So suffering, so much suffer. He was suffering. The baby is not able to turn. We were staying in the place where so many blood, stool, urine, and we are fainting after a few minutes, and we are praying to the Lord, please take me out from this place.
6 महीने के समय प्रभु ने एक बार दर्शन दिया।
At the time of 6 months, Lord appeared in front of
प्रभु
me,
ने कहा,
and Lord said,
प्रभु मुझे निकाल
I
दीजिए।
said, requested to Lord, please take me out from this place, and Lord is saying,
और 2 महीने
please stay for 2 months, 10 days,
सभी लोग
please be patient.
प्रभु
And we promised in front of the Lord, after taking birth, I will do your bhajan, I will do nothing else.
हम नहीं कर रहे।
I'm not saying this. This is evidence in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
देखो जन्म लिया,
But see, when we took birth,
स्वयं भगवान ने कैसे की?
what Lord did,
स्वयं भगवान
Lord
गर्भ में
entered in the womb of the mother.
प्रवेश किया।
He went inside the
प्रसव
Prasavayu.
वायु कहा जाता
Prasavayu.
है। प्रवेश करके
प्रसव
माँ
वायु।
से धक्का देकर मुझे बाहर जा।
Prasavayu. And then he pushed to me, and then
देखो कैसे
air.
माया की करती है।
Lord, he took form of the air, and then I took birth, and I came out from the womb of the mother. But I forget when I came out in this world. So Kapil Dev himself is saying to his mother that what is our goal? We have to do bhajan. This is the goal of the life. This is the human being goal.
विषय धन संपत्ति
All the wealth, money,
अपने अपने पूर्वजन्म की
we get according to our previous karmas. We are getting everything about
जैसे जैसे मैं कर्म
whatever karmas we have done in the previous birth.
जैसे जैसे हम कर्म करके आए
Whatever
हैं,
karmas,
वो ज्यादा भी नहीं मिलेगी
whatever
और
pious activities we have done, we will get the same, not less or no more.
ऐसा रखा।
Whatever money you have put in your bank, the bank officers will give you the same.
ठीक इसी प्रकार जैसे
In the same way, whatever karmas we are doing, we will get the same results.
देखो इसमें हम कार्य नहीं।
So that's why it is said,
कपिल देव करने के मान
Kapil Dev, he is saying
ये
to the mother, what is this human being? What is the meaning of this human
आए
birth?
थे हरि भजन के लिए
We are here to do Hari Bhajan,
लगे
but we have started picking up the cotton balls. Why we came in this material world? To do Hari Bhajan.
भगवत नाम भजन करने
To do Hari Bhajan.
किंतु हम क्या करें?
But what we are doing?
रूई को हम
We are taking out the cotton from the blankets.
इसे कह
In the last,
आए
what will
थे
happen?
हरि भजन के लिए
Blanket, from the blanket we are picking out one cotton
इससे कपिल
piece.
देव अपने माँ देवहूति के कहने
So
लगे, "माँ,
Kapil Dev, he is saying to
भजन कैसे करेंगे?"
his mother, how the person will do bhajan.
सतांग प्रसंगात मम वीर संविदो भवन्ति हित कर्म रसायन कथा। फिर ऐसे विद्यवती कथा
This
श्रवण करो।
we have to listen
इससे
Hari
हृदय,
Katha,
तन मन
that the heart, mind, everything becomes so blissful, and then the life will become successful.
सतांग प्रसंगात
That's why it is said
मम वीर
Satang
संविदो
Prasang.
भवन्ति हित कर्म रसायन कथा तजोस्नान आसु अपवर्ग भक्ति। जितने भी अपवर्ग जो है
All the upper works, that will
यहाँ
be
तक भी
finished.
देखो मुक्ति के लालसा तक भी
If a person have this desire of mukti, what is said in the Braj, this mukti desire?
मुक्ति दूर
Mukti, you please stay away from me. Brajvasis,
गोपाल सो मोको मुक्ति बताए, ब्रज रज उड़ मस्तक लगे, मुक्ति मुक्त है।
बोलो मुक्ति देवी की
Mukti Devi ki jai.
भक्ति मुक्ति यदि सेवते अस्मान धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्षय समय प्रतीक्षा। देखो
See,
थोड़ी सी कोई भक्ति कर रही है,
if some person is doing little bit bhakti,
धर्म
dharma, arth, काम, mukti Devi,
हाथ जोड़ करके
by folded hands, they are standing.
कहते मुझे भी सुना
Please give me seva. They are saying, please give us some service. So beautiful.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर
So beautiful pastimes, Harikatha is
मुक्ति
there.
नहीं चाहिए,
So we are saying we don't need mukti.
भगवान
We need only bhakti. We need service of Lord.
भक्ति का भक्तते सिद्धते इनकी भक्ति भक्तों की सेवा करनी है।
We need only service of Lord.
भगवान के निकट जाओ, क्या प्रार्थना
Please
करोगे?
go in front of the Lord and ask for
धन संपत्ति,
बाल
बाल बच्चा,
people are asking this dhan, wealth, property, son, child. This is no benefit of asking these kinds of benedictions.
मुझे
Go and ask to the Lord, oh Lord, please give me bhakti.
और कुछ नहीं,
Not anything else.
सेवा में।
I need service, only
चार
service.
माला मैं करता हूँ, प्रभु
I am
को
chanting
करके बोलो,
4 rounds
छह
and
माला करो। कितने?
that I will chant 6 rounds.
छह माला कर रहे हैं आप,
And when you are doing 6 rounds, go to the Lord, please.
8 माला करो,
I want to do 8 rounds, 16 rounds, 64 rounds.
उनके नाम प्रति मेरे रुचि।
That I can get taste in the holy names, chanting the holy names.
ये प्रभु के निकट क्या प्रार्थना करना?
So what you have to pray in the front of the Lord?
सभी पुंसांग वो धर्म जतो भक्ति अहित की अप्रियता अहित की जय आत्मा प्रसन्न भक्ति कैसे करनी?
How you have to do bhakti?
अहित
Ahetuki, causeless.
भगवान के निकट गए,
When you are going to the in front of Lord,
रुपया चढ़ाया,
you are giving 1 rupee
और मांगा
and asking for crore rupees, millions of rupees. So this is banya,
बनिया लोग क्या करते हैं?
businessman.
1 रुपया
What they are
चढ़ाते
doing,
हैं,
they are giving
हजारों रुपया,
1 rupee,
करोड़ रुपया
they are giving donation of 1 rupee and asking for million rupees.
कथा सुनाता हूं।
I'm going to tell you one story.
एक सेठ जी
One Sethji, one rich person, he went to the temple,
ठाकुर जी के दर्शन करने के लिए।
going to take the darshan
और
of
मंदिर के
Thakur
बाहर
ji.
एक लड़का जो है छोटा बच्चा,
And outside the temple there was
हाथ
small
में
boy
एक कटोरी,
and he have one ball.
टीन का जो है,
He have this tin
और कहने लगे बाबूजी
small ball and he is
मुझे
asking,
1 रुपया दे दो। क्या
he is
बोले?
asking, oh
Babuji,
Babuji, please give me 1 rupee.
1 रुपया दे दो। सेठ जी बोले,
Shetty Singh, oh, you are begging.
नहीं करते हो।
You cannot do any work.
सारे भीख मांगने वाले यहाँ पर आ
All the beggars are here.
गए। छोटा बच्चा कहने लगे,
The small
"बाबूजी,
baby child is saying, oh Babuji, please give me just 1 rupee.
फिर सेठ जी बोले, जा
Shetty Singh, oh go.
भीख मांगते हो।
Asking, you are asking for beggars. All the beggars are here. So they are saying, all the beggars are here.
इसे सुनेंगे सभी।
Please listen carefully this story.
अरे साहब, भिखारी लोग आ गए सब।
All the beggars are here.
भीख मांगते हो।
You are asking, we will give donation of 10,000, 20. That's why he's rich person.
कितने पैसा चढ़ा?
How much we are donating? 2 rupees, 5 rupees. How much we have?
सेठ जी आए हैं,
And rich person is here.
इसके पंडित जी,
So Pandit ji, the Pandas were so happy. Seth ji is here.
सेठ सेठानी आई है,
Seth Sethani is here.
अच्छी जो है,
They are wearing
तो उसके गले में
so
लगा दी।
beautiful dresses. So they are giving beautiful garlands to them.
ठाकुर जी को माला जो है, प्रसाद
All the
की
beautiful
माला जो है,
garlands from Thakur ji they are giving to the rich person, and they are giving chandan to the forehead of that rich person.
ठाकुर जी के चढ़ाया, कितने
And
चढ़ाया?
Seth ji, how much he donated?
10,000 रुपये
10,000 rupees he donated.
है। और पंडित जी बहुत प्रसन्न हो
And
गए।
Pandit ji was very happy,
और एक मिठाई के डब्बा भी दे
and
दिया।
he gave one sweet
है।
box. to the
ठाकुर जी के दर्शन हो गया, दर्शन
and he
करके
got the
बाहर
darshan of the Thakurji, and then he came
जब
out.
बाहर आ गए,
And when he came out
फिर वही
from the
बच्चा कहने
temple,
लगे,
and the same boy was asking,
बाबूजी,
"Oh Babuji,
1 रुपया दे दो।
please give me 1
फिर सेठ
rupee."
बोले,
Then Sethi saying,
ऊपर आ गया,
"Again you came.
भीख मांगने वाला।
Again you are asking, begging."
बच्चा ने उत्तर दिया,
And then the small child saying,
बाबूजी,
"Babuji,
मैं तो 1 रुपया मांगा।
I am asking just for 1 rupee.
आप बताइए,
You please tell
आप ठाकुर जी के सामने कितने रुपया मांगा?
how much you ask from the Thakurji.
छोटा भिखारी,
I am small
आप बड़े
beggar. You are a
भिखारी।
big beggar.
हैं? ठाकुर जी क्या मांगा?
How much you ask from the Thakurji? What you ask from the Thakurji?"
बोले, ठाकुर जी,
Sethi told to the Thakurji, "My business is not going down. Corona is there.
3 करोड़ रुपया मेरा
3 million rupees I lost.
लॉस हो गया।
There is a loss of 3 million rupees. So please give me
3 करोड़ रुपया।
3 crore, 3 million rupees."
पैसा मांगा
So
ठाकुर
how
जी
much you ask from the Thakurji?
कितने मांगा?
How much you ask?
3 करोड़।
3
मैं
crore.
1 रुपया भी-
I am asking just for 1 rupee.
मैं छोटा भिखारी
I am
हूँ,
small
आप
beggar and you are
बड़े भिखारी।
big beggar.
पिताई गौर ब्रह्मांड।
हरि हरि बोल।
ऐसे
1 million.
ठाकुर बालक,
And then that boy disappeared. That small child, that child was nobody else but Thakurji. He was Thakurji.
हम कहते हैं तुम
We
भिखारी
are
हो।
saying you are beggar.
ये सब तो भिखारी। कौन भिखारी?
Everybody is beggar. Who is not beggar?
हम ठाकुर जी के पास जाते
When
हैं,
we are going to
मांगते हैं।
Thakurji, we are asking,
3 करोड़ रुपया
we
दे दो,
need
5
3
करोड़
million
रुपया
rupees,
दे
5
दो।
million rupees.
हैं? धनम देही, जनम देही,
We-
मनोरमा भाज्यम देही, देही 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 मांगे।
We are asking.
सब भगवान के
Asking.
पास ठाकुर जी के पास में नहीं।
When we are going to Thakurji, we are
भिखारी
asking. We are beggars.
आप बताओ, हैं? जिनको हमारे शास्त्रकार क्या कहते
But
हैं?
our Shastra
ठाकुर जी की जो
Shastras
है, क्या मांगो?
commentators are saying what you should ask to the Thakurji, you should ask bhakti towards Lord. You should ask
हनुमान
service.
जी रामचंद्र के पास क्या मांगते हैं?
Hanumanji, what he is asking, benediction he is asking to the Ramji. He wants seva. Hanuman's one name is Kinkar.
अहम किम करोमि, अहम किम करोमि। मैं कैसे प्रभु की कैसे सेवा करूं?
How can I serve to the Lord?
मांगना ठीक है।
Okay, you should ask from the Lord.
क्या मांगो?
What you should ask from the Lord? You should ask service.
प्रभु के क्या मांगो?
What you should ask from the Lord? Service.
क्या दार बन जाऊं? सेवादार। प्रभु की
That I become your servant. You should ask this benediction.
धन दौलत और मल खजाना
This wealth, money, property, all will stay here. It will not go with us.
कंचन काया मिट्टी होगी, चर्चा होगी, गली गली ले ले रे कोई रंग का प्यारा आवाज लगाऊं।
So beautiful.
क्या मांगो?
If you want to ask any benediction,
भक्ति मांगो।
ask
प्रभु
bhakti.
के निकट प्रार्थना
If you are going to the Lord,
आपके नाम करो।
that I can just chant your holy names.
धन संपत्ति तो आएगा, उतना ही आएगा, जितना ही आपकी-
The wealth, property, everything will come. What is there in your
आज आपके भोजन मिलेगा कि नहीं
destiny?
मिलेगा?
You will get the food or no today. It is mentioned in your destiny. I am telling you truth.
है, भोजन की थाली भी आ जाए,
If the thali, the plate of food will come,
नहीं है,
if it's not in your destiny, then if there will be fight in the husband wife, and they will throw the plate and then he will go.
हजारों ऐसे उदाहरण हैं।
I have many examples there.
आज अभी यहाँ पर जो
Today
भागवत की कथा जो है,
Today you are here to listen Bhagavad Katha, and there is a Bhagavad Prasadam also
के
there.
बाद
After the Katha, you should take the Prasadam and go.
और
Our
रोज
Prabhuji every day, he is inviting
वही
that nobody should go to the house without Prasadam.
नहीं। किंतु देखो,
But see,
यदि ललाट पर लिखा है,
if it's in your destiny, then you will get the Prasadam.
कहीं तो ऐसे
Otherwise,
बात आ जाएगा,
otherwise there will be some problem.
फोन आ जाएगा,
There you will get the phone call.
मम्मी जल्दी आ जाओ,
Mother, please come back to home
आप
fast.
थाली छोड़कर के दौड़
And you will run towards the
जाओ,
house
ये
quickly.
गौर प्रेमान।
हरि हरि बोल।
ये बात सत्य है।
This is true.
इसलिए कहते हैं धन संपत्ति से कुछ अपना
So all the wealth, property you will get as per your destiny.
किंतु भक्ति
But bhakti,
ये साक्षात चिन्ह।
this is eternal.
इसलिए संत कपिल देव कहते
So
हैं,
Kapil Dev, he is saying to his mother, you should sit in the front of sadhus and listen Harikatha.
और
And
कथा श्रवण से क्या?
Listen Harikatha. And this is sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. You will get all these things. So that's why Kapil Dev himself, he is saying to his mother, he is telling so beautiful instructions to his mother. And then we are going to explain the Harikatha. Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad, he is telling to Parikshit Maharaj, he is telling about Dhruv Maharaj, her life history. He is called Sakam Bhakta. Dhruv Maharaj is said Sakam Bhakta. When a person with some desires, he is doing the bhajan, then the person is called Sakam Bhakta. If the person has some desire, that person is doing bhajan, he is doing bhakti. The Lord fulfill all the desires. Dhruv Maharaj, he was doing bhakti. What bhakti he did? He was going to sit in the lap of the father. This katha Sukdev Goswami is telling to Parikshit Maharaj. Uttam Pad, he have two wives, Suruchi and Suruchi. Suniti and Suruchi. Suniti, Dhruv Maharaj. And Suruchi's son, Uttam. But Maharaj, Uttan Pad, he loved his younger. He was so attached to his younger wife. She was so beautiful. One day what happened? Dhruv Maharaj, small child, Suniti's son, Dhruv Maharaj, he was trying, he had desire to sit in the lap of the father, and in this nearby was Suruchi. First of all, she was biting her lips that no, you should not go there. But the small child, 5-year-old, how many? What he knows? He doesn't understand anything. He was trying to sit in the lap of the father. But see Uttan Pad, how he is, how much he is attached to the wife. He is not taking the son in his lap, but the baby Dhruv, he was trying to sit in the lap of the father. At the same time, Suruchi, what she did, she took him and she was chastising him. She threw him from the lap and then she was chastising that, you know, first you have to take the birth in my womb. Not in Suniti's womb. You should take first birth in my womb. And then, and when you will take birth in my womb, you should meditate, you should worship Lord Vishnu. If you want to take birth in my womb, you should worship Lord Vishnu. In the front of Uttan Pad's father, she was chastising. What the small child understand? He becomes so sad. That mother, she did like this, she behaved like that she threw the baby Dhruv, and she was crying, and he went to his room and he was closed his room and he was crying. And then Uttan Pad, he doesn't say even a single word. He was so much attached in the love of his wife. So small child Dhruv, he closed the door and was crying. And his mother Suniti, she was knocking the door, please open the door. He was not opening the door. And after so long time, he opened the door. And then Suniti asked, what happened, my child? Why you are not taking the prasadam? What happened? Tell me. And Dhruv, he told all the incident, what happened. And then Suniti, what she said, that oh my child, Why you are crying?
अरे पिताजी के गोद में बैठे
If you want to sit in the, if you want to sit, if you want to sit in the lap of the Father, if you want to sit in the lap, then you have to sit in the lap of the Father, who is the Parampita. The Brahmaji and other demigods who are doing so hard austerity to get the darshan of that Lord. It's true thing. What is the this human being? What is the goal of this human being? That we have to do bhajan. So mother should be like Suniti, not Suruchi. Suniti, she is teaching good things. This is scarcity, deficit of these things. These days, mother and father, they are not teaching good things to their child. That's why that is society is becoming bad. Suruchi, what does Suruchi mean? She is eating nice foods. Suruchi. That's why the society is going down. So our commentators, our shastras. So how should the mother should be? Mother should be Suniti, Sundar Niti, who is doing Bhagavad Bhajan. Suniti, she said, why you are crying? You should do Lord Vishnu Bhajan. You should worship Lord Vishnu. What is the problem? Did she have a parental mood? Who mother was that her son left to do bhajan? And what Dhruv Maharaj he did, same night he left the house and he is going towards the forest to do the bhajan of Lord Vishnu. And Lord Vishnu, he is thinking, if he will not do Anukaran, how I will give darshan to him? Virinch means Brahma. If some person is become like knowledgeable and Tattvajnani like Shivji, but the person doesn't accept the Guru, the Lord will not give the darshan. Please understand this carefully. Please understand. Lord himself is saying to he gave the inspiration in the heart of Narad Muni. Let's see. Narad Rishi, he went to see the Dhruv. Dhruv was going towards the Mathura, nearby Yamuna. There is a Dhruv Ghat. When you will go to Mathura Parikrama, there is Dhruv Ghat. In Vrindavan Mathura Parikrama, there is so beautiful place that is called Dhruv Ghat, where Dhruv Maharaj he meet with Narad Rishi. First of all, Narad Rishi he is saying to the Dhruv Maharaj, where are you going? You are going to do bhajan. So in this world we are also saying that when you will grow up, then you will do bhajan. First of all, you have to take all the education. When you will become well educated, get married, when you will give birth to the babies, what people will say if you will not do all these things? When you will get the old age, when you will be no more in the use, then you should do the bhajan. In the old age, the person can do bhajan. So Dhruv Maharaj is saying a person can do bhajan in old age. So please tell me one thing. If there is mention in somewhere that when the old age will come, then the person will die. Death never waits for anyone. A person can die any time. There is not mentioned anywhere that when old age will come, then a person will die. There is one lady who is traveling, going here and there in one house. So Narad Muni, he was telling to his student, which lady is going here and there to all the houses, day and night? Which lady? Mrityunari, the lady of death. The lady of death. To who she will sit, nobody knows. In whose head she will sit. One chakra is going here and there all the time. Kal Chakra. Kal Chakra, it's going here and there all the time. Which river, which is which river? Same time, going both side. Going both side.
अरे हमारी आयु रूपी मन,
Our age. Our age.
हम करेंगे हमारे 60 साल हो गया सब तो
I am thinking I become 60, I become 70, I become 80.
बढ़ रहे हैं ना.
We are increasing, you know.
और दूसरी देखो
And
हमारे
see,
आयु घट
but our age is decreasing.
है. आप जानते नहीं हैं.
You don't understand
संसार में
how much time you will stay in this world.
आपके इस संसार में कितने दिन?
Okay,
100 साल रहना
okay.
है.
If you
100 years.
if you are thinking you will stay in
आप 60
this
साल हो गया.
world 100, so if you become 60,
घट गया.
then your age
60
become
साल के कम हो गया.
your age increases or decrease. Now your 60 age already passed, now only 40 left. So we are thinking we are increasing, we are growing up. Now we are 60, 70, 80, 90.
है? बढ़ रहे हैं.
We are increasing, we are growing up. Narad Rishi is saying,
आयु रूपी
so this age,
बढ़ते
river like age, it's going same time. Both.
शरीर छोड़े कैसे कोई बात.
We will leave our body at the time of old age. This is not mentioned anywhere.
काल में भजन
So Dhruv Maharaj saying, in the old age a person can do bhajan. You please tell me.
नहीं.
It's not possible. Why?
सारा जीवन तो ब्रेन में जो कुछ लिख दिया,
In entire life, whatever is mentioned, we have printed in our brain. If there is plain paper, if in plain paper some person will write anything, we can write. If in the paper mention so many things many times, no person can read.
पढ़ लिया.
So what does it mean? In the entire life, you have
मस्तिष्क जो है
learned so many things.
दिखाई नहीं है होता है.
So at the time of old age, mind doesn't work. What you will
इसे कहते हैं
read that
पुस्तकाल
time?
में भजन नहीं होता
What
है.
you will do that time? So that's why in old age, person cannot do bhajan. So that's why Prahlad Maharaj is saying,
कुमार काल में भजन करो, वृद्ध काल में भजन
in the
करो.
young age you should do bhajan.
तो सब चिंता रहती है. सारी चिंता पड़ा रहता है.
In the old age, you have all this thinking.
एक तो शरीर में बीमारी है.
You have so many diseases in the body.
तरुण तावत तरुणी रखता, वृद्ध तावत.
In the old age, person have so many diseases, so many sufferings in the body.
शंकराचार्य जी ने कहा,
Shankaracharya is also saying,
छोटा बालक जो है अपने छोटे बालक के साथ खेल कूद करते रहते हैं.
the child, they are playing with their child friends.
तरुण तावत तरुणी रखता, जुबा काल आ जाए,
When the young age came,
युवती के साथ युवक के साथ पीछे दौड़ते रहते हैं. मन भगता रहता है.
the boy is running towards girl, girl is running towards
जाता
boy.
है, कि जाती है. कहाँ जाते हैं? पार्क में जाकर रहते
They are staying in the park, they are going in the park.
हैं. हाँ भाई, मैं झूठ नहीं
I am not telling the lie.
तुम देख.
I am staying in the Delhi and I am looking at that this girl and boy going in the garden. What are they doing? Hari?
स्कूल छुट्टी हो गया, 4 बजे
After the school finished, they are going back to the house.
तो यही तो संसार.
So this is the whole
ये
samsara.
बालक तावत पीड़ा सक्त तरुण तावत तरुणी रखता, वृद्ध तावत देहा सकता. वृद्ध काल आ जाता है,
When the old age comes,
कमर में दर्द है.
if person have pain in the back, spondylitis and many diseases.
इतना दर्द है.
A person have so much pain in the knee,
और
diabetes,
क्या बता रहे?
and what other disease?
घुटन में दर्द बता रहे. कि हमारे विद्वासी बैठ नहीं पाते.
He is Brajvasis, he cannot sit properly.
सिर में दर्द है.
Pain in the
भजन
head,
होता है.
headache. With the headache, how person can do bhajan?
हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं, देखो
That's why I am saying Dhruv Maharaj is saying to the Narad Muni,
वृद्ध काल में भजन नहीं है.
in the old age nobody can do bhajan.
इसलिए हमारे प्रहलाद महाराज
That's why Prahlad Maharaj also saying
कुमार काल में भजन.
a person should do bhajan starting from the
वो देखो,
small age.
माला के जप
In the
माला
old
अपने
age, no bhajan is not possible. It will be like keeping the beads in the hands and just thinking about other things. There is child in the house, they are doing tata papa. The baby doesn't allow you to sleep. The baby is allowing you to sleep, tell me. So that's why Narad Rishi is saying, Narad Rishi becomes so happy. He gave the mantra to the Dhruv Maharaj, Siddha mantra.
ओम नमो ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो
receive the mantra from Narada Rishi.
सभी जब गए सिद्ध मंत्र
Please all chant this mantra. By chanting this mantra, a person will get siddhi. There is no doubt. This is called Siddha mantra. This is called Siddha mantra. Please chant, everyone. Do kirtan of all this mantra.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंद गोप कुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः।
We are here to listen Harikatha. We should also chant mantra. So that's why I am saying Dhruv Maharaj. He took the mantra from Dhruv Maharaj, from the Narad Muni, and in the 6 months, within 6 months, he got the darshan of Lord. It doesn't take more time for him. This is mentioned in Bhagavatam. In Madhuvan, Mathura nearby Yamuna, he got the mantra from Narad Muni and he went to Madhuvan, where there is Dhruv Tila. So beautiful place. Dhruv Maharaj, he did austerity there.